Okay, the purpose of the water flea test, that is a very small crustacean. And regardless of what the parameters are that you're trying to treat to, whether it's biological waste or industrial waste, the water flea test is basically an indicator test. So regardless of whether you're meeting your effluent quality at the moment of testing, the water flea test is done over a period of time. And basically the test is, will this organism not only survive, but can it survive to the point of reproducing? Because if it can't, this is very, very low on the food chain. What is it that's causing this organism not to reproduce or not to be able to survive? From a scientific basis, you want to know why. So you could go back and you can do both a qualitative and a quantitative analysis of what is going into the system. And this is done in labs. This is very common to find this out. And you can find out what's there. And then once you find out what's there, you can design a treatment process that will take care of this problem. The regulatory agencies, one would think, should not turn a blind eye to this. So the point with consent orders, from my experience, is that you come in, you acknowledge there's a problem, you have an action plan, but it doesn't mean you're going to waive meeting the statutory requirements. It basically is giving you some time to do it. And so basically it's an agreed upon acknowledgement, it's stipulation that yes, you have violated the law, and here's what you're going to do about it. So I guess that begs the question, if there's multiple consent orders and there's something that's being continually kicked down the road, the public should really ask why that is happening. And if these are being done off the book, so to speak, without public input and without public comment, I think that is a problem, frankly. You know, they're finding now, I think Escambia County, I believe, is in the top 20 polluted areas in the United States under the EPA, basically studies they've done. I mean, there was a special grand jury impaneled some years ago. It was so bad. I mean, to get a special grand jury, that's a huge deal. So whoever impaneled that grand jury knew there was a major problem, and it merits something so serious as to do something along those lines. And so I guess it begs the question, the elected officials in Escambia County, they should be asking questions of the state. Same thing, the governor's office, you know, the people that are responsible for that should be asking questions. Perhaps the attorney general should be asking questions. Are statutes being violated? And lacking that, you shouldn't be making statements that says everything is fine. You shouldn't be putting on what we call a dog and pony show and actually ignoring facts and saying everything is fine. Watch me drink the water out of this creek. That is a circus stunt that is not based in reality. The public should be told the truth, because this is a black eye on the community. This is a black eye on the regulatory authorities.